Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that a lot of men are curious about but might feel a little uncomfortable asking the medical provider, friends or family. Does a vasectomy affect your testosterone level? Let's break down the myth, the fact and what we really need to know if you are considering or have already undergone this procedure. First, let's get a clear understanding of what vasectomy really is. It's a surgical procedure where the vast difference, the tubes that carry sperm from your testicle to your semen, are cut or sealed. This means you can get someone pregnant, but it doesn't affect your body's ability to produce testosterone. Now, why does it not affect your testosterone? Because testosterone is produced in testes and doesn't travel through the vast difference. So cutting those tubes has no direct impact on hormone production. There's a lot of confusion because people associate the testes solely with reproduction, but they actually play a huge role in hormone regulation too. When you get vasectomy, your testes continue producing testosterone just like they did before the procedure. Now let's address some common myths associated with vasectomy and testosterone production. Number 1. Vasectomy causes low testosterone. The fact is, numerous studies have shown that vasectomy does not cause a drop in testosterone level. Myth number 2. You lose muscle or gain fat after vasectomy. The fact is, any change in body composition are likely due to aging or lifestyle factor and not the vasectomy itself. Myth number 3. Vasectomy affects sexual performance. The actual fact is, the surgery doesn't affect your ability to get or maintain an erection, nor does it lower your sex drive. Testosterone level can fluctuate naturally due to variety of reasons like stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, or just getting older. But vasectomy, it's not one of those reasons. Here's the quick breakdown of how testosterone is produced and how it's associated with vasectomy. Your brain's pituitary gland releases a signal called LH and FSH that goes to your testes to produce testosterone. This hormone is then released into your bloodstream, affecting your mood, energy level, muscle growth, and even your bone density. The vast difference, what's cut during the vasectomy, has nothing to do with this process. So if you had vasectomy or are considering one, you don't have to worry about it messing with your hormone. If you are feeling symptoms of low testosterone like low energy, decreased libido, or fatigue after vasectomy, it's likely due to the other factors like stress or lifestyle changes rather than surgery itself. If you are still concerned, the best course of action is to get blood tests done to check your hormone level. Consult with a specialist who can give you a clear picture of what's really going on. There is always an option of testosterone replacement therapy if your levels are genuinely low. But vasectomy should not be the reason for it. So guys, don't let the myths or misconception keep you from making an informed decision about your health. I hope this video helped clear things up. Comment below if you have any more questions and subscribe for more health related videos.